You are watching part 5 of the full series of Java interview questions. These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. How many types of constructors are used in Java? What is the purpose of a default constructor? Does constructor return any value? Is constructor inherited? Can you make a constructor final? First question, how many types of constructors are used in Java? Based on the parameters passed in the constructors, there are 2 types of constructors in Java. Default constructor. Default constructor is the one which does not accept any value. The default constructor is mainly used to initialize the instance variable with the default values. It can also be used for performing some useful task on object creation. A default constructor is invoked implicitly by the compiler if there is no constructor defined in the class. Parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor is the one which can initialize the instance variables with the given values. In other words, we can say that the constructors which can accept the arguments are called parameterized constructors. Second question, what is the purpose of a default constructor? The purpose of the default constructor is to assign the default value to the objects. The Java compiler creates a default constructor implicitly, if there is no constructor in the class. Next question, does constructor return any value? The answer is yes. The constructor implicitly returns the current instance of the class. You can't use an explicit return type with the constructor. Next question, is constructor inherited? The answer is no. The constructor is not inherited. The interviewer is trying to confuse you here, so be strong with your answer. Again, this is a tricky question. Can you make a constructor final? The answer is no. The constructor can't be final. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here is the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews.